So you just bought a cheap flight. Who cares? That's what I call balling on a budget. But now you're stuck flying Spirit, Allegiant, Frontier, the 3 budget airlines that most enforce the size of the personal items. But don't worry, I'm gonna teach you the hack that I personally use so that you don't go viral throwing a tantrum because your bag didn't fit and now you have to pay a huge fee. All right, let's get it. So the first thing we're gonna need for this hack is this vacuum sealed bag. For those of you who don't know how it works, you simply put something inside. In this case, I'm gonna use this pillow. Then you seal the bag, and then after all that, you pump all the air out. And it compresses everything. Look how small this is right now. These bags tend to be fairly cheap, but when you buy these bags, you wanna make sure it comes with a manual pump. For this example, I'm gonna show you what I would typically take for a 5-day beach/tropical trip. 2 pants, 4 shorts, 6 shirts, 4 underwears, 4 pairs of socks. I don't know if there's a right way or a wrong way to load these clothes, but I usually just roll my clothes and push it as far down as possible. Then I close it and start pumping all the air out. Look how small it gets, almost half the size. Now you can easily put that on any bag, but if you really want to maximize this hack, you want to get a bag similar to this one. You have to remember that the size of the personal item bags are extremely important because both Spirit and Frontier have the same bag size limit at 18 by 14 by 8. So we want to get right up to those dimensions without going over, or else they're going to charge you more. So for our example, this bag is too small and this bag is also too small, leaving us with this large bag. And this bag is ideal for this hack because it opens wide open, very similar to carry-on and check-in bags. So now let's put both these hacks together and see how it all fits perfectly. So on top of the clothes I compressed earlier, I'm putting 2 pairs of shoes, a toiletries bag, flip-flops, then I'm gonna close it all up on the main compartment. In the front, I'm gonna put my passport, a pen, cash, 13-inch MacBook, AirPods Max, and lastly my iPad. And that's it. Look how everything fits perfectly. But of course we have to go test this out so you know that this hack actually works.
I'm gonna go around the Orlando airport. I'm gonna make sure that this bag fits in all of the personal item bins.
First is Avianca. This was actually pretty easy. I didn't really need to push down the bag. Next we have Sun Country Airlines. This one actually I had to push down a little bit, but nonetheless it still fit. Next we have Spirit. I realized I accidentally put it in the carry-on compartment instead of the personal item bags. But in this next example we have Frontier, which is the same size as Spirit, and I just need to push down a little bit, but nonetheless it still fit. Anyways, I hope you guys found this video helpful. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll see you in the next one.